Welcome to the creative world of Dacor 3D Laminate, where designs form. Hi everyone, I'm Karen LeBlanc, your host as we explore the creative potential of Dacor 3D Laminate in residential and commercial projects. In this episode, I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean and maintain 3D laminate. Because this product produces seamless surfaces, Dacor 3D Laminate is one of the most sanitary surfacing materials on the market. With a little regular maintenance, you can preserve its luster, texture, and color for years to come. Here are a few guidelines for the care and cleaning of Dacor 3D Laminate. To clean the surface of Dacor's 3D Laminate, you'll want to use a cotton or microfiber cloth saturated with a mixture of warm water and a mild, non-abrasive detergent. Wipe using the cloth in vertical motions with light pressure. Here's a list of approved cleaning agents: Windex, Clorox bleach diluted to 10%, Formula 409, and Fantastic Antibacterial with lemon power. Before using any of these approved agents, you should test a small area before doing the entire surface. Mixing agents is not suggested. To maintain the luster and durability of your 3D laminate surface, avoid using the following solvents, such as paint thinners or turpentine, abrasive detergents, such as baking soda, furniture polish, denatured alcohols, and brushes or harsh scrubbing surfaces. Dacor 3D laminate surfaces have undergone rigorous testing for their ability to resist staining, etching, and cross-contamination using institutional-grade disinfectants and institutional-grade hard surface cleaners. Our test proved that Dacor is resistant to the most common household residues also, including alcohol, cooking oil, hair dye, shoe polish, crayon, curry powder, lipstick, sugar, tea, whiskey, wine, coffee, and salt. With custom runs of only 600 yards in order, the lowest minimum order of any laminate company in the world, and the widest variety of colors, textures, and designs in North America, Dacor 3D Laminate can unleash the creative potential of your next project. For more design ideas, tips, and the latest product news, subscribe to the Dacor YouTube channel and check out our website at dacor.com. Thanks for watching. Dacor, where designs form.